Alright, YouTube subscribers. My name is Rayshawn, known as Rayniz on Facebook, also known as Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 on YouTube. Now, what's going on is that I'm showing you guys my 44-inch Walnut Harbor Breeze Cedar Hill ceiling fan. It's dated July of 2010. Now, I got this ceiling fan from the garage sale back in September of this year. Now, I had this fan for like a few weeks and stuff, and I've been trying to figure out whether this ceiling fan is either Cedar Hill or Cabrillo. So I tried posting it in the Facebook group called Ceiling Fan Kids, asking the fan collectors if they knew what was the model name for this Harbor Breeze ceiling fan here. One of them said that it was a Cabrillo, and then Aiden Panthers commented on my post and said that it's a Harbor Breeze Cedar Hill. And I told him no, the Harbor Breeze Cedar Hill is a hugger ceiling fan. And he said no, it actually comes with a down rod. And he showed me proof that this fan is a Harbor Breeze Cedar Hill ceiling fan. So, before I get started demonstrating this fan, now when I first got this fan and stuff, I went on and tested it out to see, just to make sure that it works. And the ceiling fan did work, but it just was spinning too slow. So I ended up checking out to see what was wrong with the capacitor, and I saw that the capacitor was swollen. I'll be right back to this fan. I'm going to show you the capacitor for the fan. So here's the capacitor. I'm trying to see if you could get a better view at it. But as you can see, that this capacitor is swollen. And the capacitor is swollen on the front too a little bit, but it's not that noticeable on camera as it is in person. So that's why I had to cut the wires and stuff. So the capacitor that I put in this fan, I ordered the new capacitor for this fan off of eBay for about $5, I believe, and some change. So without further ado, I'm about to go on and demonstrate this fan, starting off with the light. Now here's what it looks like with the light off. And here's what it looks like with the light on. So I'm about to go on and demonstrate this fan, starting off with low. Hold on, give me a minute. Now this ceiling fan has like an ecstatic low speed to it. That's just something what some ceiling fan collectors calls the low speed light, when low speed is a little bit slower. So so not only that, I found out that the capacitor was swollen and stuff, so I tried to put in a capacitor that came off of a Hampton Bay Clarkston ceiling fan motor that I parted out. And and the low speed on this fan was a bit too fast and stuff. So I tried to put in the capacitor that came off of a Hunter Silent Breeze ceiling fan that I parted out. And low speed and medium speed, they was okay, but high speed was just, low speed was fine, but medium speed was a little bit too slow. And then high speed was a lot faster. But I kind of didn't like the RPMs with a Hunter ceiling fan capacitor. So that's why I decided to order another capacitor off of eBay and stuff to put it inside this fan. And then when I put the capacitor inside the fan and stuff, the fan kept going low, off, off, off. So I was wondering what happened to the capacitor. Like, what was wrong with it? That's what I was thinking like. So I ended up checking out to see what was wrong with it. And then when I pulled the pull chain out the switch housing and stuff, the ceiling fan started working fine. And when I put the capacitor and the pull chain back inside the switch housing, the fan was going low, off, off, off again. So I found out that the wires inside the pull chain was loose. So I had to cut the wires off the blown up capacitor and attach the wires into the pull chain and stuff. Then I had to wire the pull chain to the new capacitor just to get this fan to work properly again. Oh, by the way, it's blowing like a decent. It's blowing some air on low for a Harbor Breeze ceiling fan. So I'm about to go on and put it on medium. Give me a minute. Now, this fan here, as you can see that I'm testing this ceiling fan outside. And due to the fact that it is like 50 something degrees outside, so it's kind of chilly and stuff. And by me standing by me standing out by this fan and stuff, the airflow is making it even more colder and stuff. But it's blowing a good amount of air for medium speed. And then what I forgot to tell you is that this fan has an ecstatic low speed and stuff. Medium kind of looks like a high speed, and high speed looks like turbo. So, and the light bulbs that I put on this light kit are LED light bulbs. It came off of a turtle fitter light kit that was originally on my Incom Monterey ceiling fan before I replaced the turtle fitter light kit with the schoolhouse light kit that I put on my Incom Monterey ceiling fan. So, but the LED light bulbs actually fit this light kit good. Excuse me for that belch. But other than that, I'm about to go on and put it on high speed. This fan here. So, now I can kind of feel the airflow coming from this fan here in the distance that I'm standing in. But this fan actually blows like, oh, I see why it's blowing a good amount of air now, because what I forgot to tell you guys is that I kind of pitched the blades on this fan. So that's what got this fan blowing a little bit more air than how it originally blew. Because I kind of pitched the blades some. But it's still blowing a good amount of air. And even when I didn't pitch the blades, it still blew a good amount of air and stuff. So I got this fan at the garage sale for about $20. That's how much I paid for this fan at the garage sale. But I might not keep this fan for long and stuff. I might end up giving it to somebody that actually need a fan and stuff. But I don't know, cause I kind of like this fan. Then I forgot to show you the Harbor Breeze pulls here. So this the Harbor Breeze pull chain for the light kit. And this the Harbor Breeze pull chain for the fan. But the reason why I got the pull chain for the fan and the pull chain for the light connected to one link and stuff is to keep the pull chain from getting caught up in the fan and stuff while I'm I shall say ground testing this ceiling fan here. So other than that, I'm about to go on and reverse this thing. Hold on a sec. See, I didn't even test it out. I didn't test it out in reverse. And plus, I forgot to tell you guys that this ceiling fan is 3 speeds and is electrically reversible. So that's why I'm showing reverse right now. So this is high speed in reverse. This is medium in reverse. This is low in reverse. And I'm about to go on and put it on fan off. So other than that, there you have it. There's the proof that the fan is 3 speeds and is electrically reversible due to the fact that I forgot to mention that stuff. And this ceiling fan is versatile because this ceiling fan can also be installed without the light kit. So other than that, so this is Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 signing out this video, and I'm out.